Hello and welcome to the Scene Manager tutorial series. This is chapter 1 and I'm going to show you how to install the Scene Manager for 3ds Max. First of all, let's make sure that 3ds Max is closed. The procedure is pretty standard. Once you downloaded the installer, you should just double click it, agree to a license agreement, select the version of 3ds Max that you would like to use. In our case, we will use 2021. And press install. To finish up the installation, let's create a toolbar button. To do that, let's go to customize user interface, toolbars. The category should be Pulze, and let's just drag out the Scene Manager to the toolbar. And we have one more thing to do, which is to sign in with your Pulze account. And that's it, we are ready to start using it, so see you in the next chapter.